Hello everyone, so I'm back for part 2 of the Monsal Trail. I've just left Bakewell and we're just about to head up the Monsal Dale. We're going to get to the Headstone Viaduct, which is a really fantastic spot, so look forward to showing you all that. And then I'm going to head through the Headstone tunnel, along the Monsal Trail and back through to Bakewell. And hopefully right at the end we'll stop by the Thornbridge Brewery shop as well, so pick up some beers as well. So we're now at the top of Monsal Dale, right on top of Headstone Viaduct. I'm going to be now heading through the Headstone tunnel, which I'll just show you now.